Most people think of these in the context of relationships. But what if I told you that understanding your love language could also be the key to practicing radical self love? Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Andrea Brown, a relationship coach passionate about helping ambitious women create meaningful connections and attract the love they truly deserve. Before we dive into today's episode, I want to take a moment to reintroduce myself for those who are new here. I've been happily married for nearly 10 years. We have 3 children, and it's just been such a fulfilling journey. One I did not think was possible after my own struggles in past relationships. But through growth, healing, and learning to deeply love myself, I attracted the partner who is perfect for me. Over the past few months, we just wrapped up my incredible Transform Your Love Life series, which was packed with actionable tips to attract, build, and maintain the love you desire. If you missed it, be sure to check out those episodes. They will be up here. I'll have them linked in the description below as well. And speaking of love, I also have some amazing programs to support you on your journey, including my one-on-one coaching program, Marriage Magnetism, mini coaching package, email coaching, and of course, my free Facebook group, Marriage Magnetism, where you can connect with other like-minded women. You'll find all the links in the description and pinned to the comments section. Now let's talk about something close to my heart. Love languages. You've probably heard of the 5 love languages before, right? If not, here's a quick recap. Words of affirmation, acts of service, receiving gifts, quality time, physical touch. Most people think of these in the context of relationships. But what if I told you that understanding your love language could also be the key to practicing radical self love? Your love language isn't just about how you give and receive love from others, it's also how you can nurture yourself. So many of us get caught up in waiting for someone else to fulfill those needs when we can and should start with ourselves. Let's break this down with actionable examples for each love language. Words of affirmation. Write yourself a love letter. Affirm your worth with positive, uplifting language. Start each morning with affirmations like, I am deserving of love, or I am worthy of the best. Acts of service. This is my love language, actually. Show up for yourself in small, thoughtful ways. Prep a healthy meal, schedule that overdue doctor's appointment, or clean your space as an act of care and service to you. Receiving gifts. Buy yourself something meaningful. It doesn't have to be extravagant. A journal, a book you wanted, or even fresh flowers can be a gesture that says, I value myself. Quality time. Spend uninterrupted time with yourself. Turn off your phone, take yourself on a date, or dive into a hobby that you love. Physical touch. This might look like a self-care night. Take a warm bath, give yourself a facial, or practice mindful breathing while touching your heart as a grounding practice. Take a moment to reflect on your love language and think about what small act you can do today to honor it. Now, here's where it gets fun. Understanding how your love language works in relationships. When you learn to love yourself, it sets a powerful example for your partner, friends, or family to follow. When you honor your needs, it opens the door for better communication. For example, if quality time is your love language, you can express that to your partner by saying, "It means a lot to me when we set aside time just for us." Or if their love language is acts of service, notice and acknowledge when they're trying to show love in that way. Even if it's, for example, as simple as taking out the trash or running an errand for you. When you and your partner both understand and honor each other's love language, it deepens your bond and makes love feel more fulfilling. Now it's your turn. Here are a couple of action steps to try this week. Number one, identify your own love language. If you're unsure, take a quick quiz online or reflect on how you most like to give and receive love. Commit to one act of self love that aligns with your love language this week. Write down and share your experience in the comments or in my free Facebook group. If you love this episode, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more empowering content like this. Don't forget to check out my programs, Marriage Magnetism, my mini coaching package, email coaching, and the Transform Your Love Life Guide, all linked in the description and pinned to the comments. Also, join my free Facebook group, Marriage Magnetism, where we're building a community of women just like you who are ready to attract the love they deserve. Finally, I'm offering free consultations for a limited time. So if you're ready to dive deeper into your journey, schedule your call today. Thank you so much for watching. In the next episode, we're diving even deeper into how love languages can transform your relationships. Until then, take care of yourself and remember, the most important relationship you'll ever have is with you. See you next time. Take care.